Good evening, welcome back to the way too much of taxing and trying to figure out what is the point of life could. That's a pretty long one. This is 5th May 2023, 7:09 p.m. and today has been one of those classic days where I basically maxed out my potential for the full-time job, and it does not happen quite often, but the situation in the past few days has been such that work has been piling up and there's been no one in the team, and so I ended up doing a lot of video work today. I mean, my head is starting to go a little round in circles. There is nothing I have worth documenting. I made, a lot of videos, one proper motion graphic video. This is the motion graphic, and even right now there is some things going on which I haven't yet submitted, but I thought, you know what, consistency and in the khud first, everything else later. I'll just go sequentially because I literally cannot think of anything very concrete at the moment, so I'll just keep this one very short and concise because editing this is also going to be a task. Woke up at 4:10 today, did steam plus yoga with Adrian neck shoulder routine. Was much needed because I thought I would do it every single day, but I just it's a 10-minute thing where I still can't do it. Then I watched the Creative Poison video by Casey and I got super inspired, so I worked on the 3D scene a bit. I'm currently stuck at how to switch from FK to IK and vice versa inside the NL or Action Editor. I'm not opening Blender right now because then this will become a longer video. It will be a task to edit this, and I've been working inside Premiere Pro, After Effects, back and forth the entire day, and I literally want to spend very less time editing this video. So tried calming the full-time job tornado before going for my nap. Way too many simple edits on my plate for the day. So I'm trying to think about it. What is it in this video that you can take away? Nothing. What is it that I can take away? Maybe I could show you the video that I made. So this is the video I made yesterday. There's nothing here, just basic trim parts revealing it. And these coins falling is a motion tile. It's just this composition, that's all it is, and motion tile does your infinite loop thing. Very basic stuff. Other than this, there is this another motion graphic video I made. It's like a party song, and I've got to a point where I can figure out the loop of music and where it ends and where it should start and everything inside After Effects. I'm just keeping an eye on my WhatsApp on the other screen because there's still some activity going on. Okay, frame rate mismatch. We're previewing it at 30 FPS. So the way I've done this is I've made one master null, and all these images I have kept them 1080 pixels apart in X, and then I'm just moving the null. And the reason I've done it this way is because I want to have consistent spacing in between everything. That is one reason. And secondly, I wanted to have an individual movement on these as well. So I used my zero out script to make nulls for each of these individual layers, and I just added a position Y position up and down, and then loop out ping pong to give that feeling of movement on individual pack shots. Yeah, so that's all I did, and here behind you see some wiggles and shiggles, and this question mark, this 3D thing is from Animation Composer. Animation Composer is really the reason why. Okay, I think that's sorted. Okay, it's been a very, very long day in a lot of ways. Other than that, I made some edits inside Premiere, one very good edit I made inside Premiere. I don't know if I should show it. Let me just show it, because
we're so happy to have you.
Thanks, I'm really glad to be here. But what about the compensation?
We have you covered. These benefits are all you need.
So what I'm getting in hand right now doesn't look like the offer.
Half of it is variable, and some of it you'll get it after 1 billion years.
This isn't what I signed up for.
Don't worry, we'll give you a big bonus in 2 years.
The part that I absolutely love about video making on my particular skill set is the way I can end videos so effortlessly, flawlessly, and that resolution at the end is so beautiful. So yeah, this is one video, and there's another longer, like a 2-3 minuter that I've been editing and adding subtitles and captions to. So you get a point. A lot of video work done today, and that's it where I want to stop this documentation. But I'm still gonna go to the gym. Things are still gonna go the way they have to. I might just come back and edit this video, the in the code video, because I still have to give one deliverable for the full-time job. But that's it. Thank you so much for being in the code. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.